Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Beats Solo 3 keep disconnecting. So basically what you'll need to do is take your headphones, and right here you'll see this power button, and right now let's hold it until it starts to blink. So again, just start it and hold it. You'll need to hold around 10 seconds until it blinks, as you can see, and it will be still after some time. And now if we let it go, we'll get the red light, and that means we did a hard reset. And now basically you'll need to take your phone and connect it to your headphones and try listening right now. If that still happens, you'll need to check your battery level. If your battery is full, then you'll need to actually see if it works with the phone and if it works with the computer. So if it disconnects from one device and works with the another, you will basically have an issue with the device itself, not the headphones. So basically, if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.